Beautiful two-story home nestled in a great community. As you enter this home, you are greeted by an open formal living or office space and beautiful dining room. The open floor plan from the kitchen to the family room is perfect for entertaining. First floor bedroom would make a great guest suite or office. The second floor boasts an amazing owner's suite, generous-sized bedrooms and walk-in laundry room. Enjoy the back patio in your private and spacious backyard, perfect for the upcoming fall weather.